I always wake up at 7 a.m. I go to the gym at 7:30 a.m. I often have a bath at 8 a.m. I have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. I usually go to work by car. But today I am taking a bus. Because the mechanic is repairing my car. And the train is being late. I always go to work at 9 a.m. but today I am late. I often have lunch at 1 p.m. I sometimes do shopping before I go home from work. Today I am seeing my friend at a cafe after work. I usually come home at 6:30 p.m. I have some rest. And I have dinner at 7 p.m. I often watch a film at 8 p.m. before I sleep. I always go to bed at 10 p.m. And I usually fall asleep immediately.